Hey YouTubers, this is Superman G. Come back at you one more again. And I want to talk to you about SSD drives. Now, you've seen me install SSD drives on several of the computers that I've made on my video, computers I've built, computers I've upgraded, and I want to talk about one particular brand of SSD drive. And I'm going to probably start using this a lot more in my future builds or upgrades in computers, because this really is a no-brainer. This has a feature that no other manufacturer of SSD has. Now, you can't compare speeds to this drive to another drive because they're kind of negligible when it comes to the SATA drives. Now, the NVMe is separate. That's going to always be faster, but I'm talking about the SSD drives. So with that, I'm going to bring up the drive that I'm referring to. This is Crucial MX500 500 gigabyte 2.5-inch internal solid state drive. Now, this particular drive will go into any computer. It will go in a laptop, it will go in a desktop, it will work with a Windows computer, it will work with a Apple computer, a Mac OS as it's called. So this can work on pretty much any computer. What makes this different versus the other SSD drives is the fact that Crucial has partnered with Acronis. And Acronis, you've seen me make videos on how to use Acronis. It is a backup program, it is an imaging program. And if you have any important data on your computer, you need a backup program in case anything happens, and this can literally save your life. But Crucial has made it so that when you buy their SSD drives, you get Acronis for free. Now, it's not the full version, but it is the version that will help you be able to transfer the data from your old hard drive to the new Crucial drive. And that's all it's for, but that's all you need. And then if you want to do backups, then you'd have to get the full version, which you'd have to go through Acronis's website to pay for. But this is something that's not issued on any other manufacturer's product. Crucial is the only manufacturer that has this. Now, Crucial products are not as expensive as Samsung's. So with this being a 500 gigabyte internal SSD drive for $54, this is not a bad deal at all. At least I don't think. But the thing is that this will make it painstakingly less problematic for you when you have to get a new drive, and then you have to try to find a program to help transfer your data from the old drive to the new drive. Considering this comes with Acronis built into it, that's a plus for you as a consumer, and it'll work out so much easier for you because you will have everything you need right in this package when you purchase this. I am going to show you in a separate video on how to obtain getting Acronis's software for your data transfer when you need to. I just wanted to make this video to show you that this is a drive and a product that I think you ought to seriously consider versus Samsung, unless you wish to get Samsung, or unless you have another backup program that you're using, then that's fine. So stay tuned. You guys take care, be safe, and peace out.